these tokens been discovered by atm.day. Today I'm gonna show you a platform that I discovered not so long ago, but it's like a hidden gem, if you ask me. So, this is atm.day, and a lot of you guys been asking me in the comments on how I get like the ideas of the launches I do, right? And this is something I've been using in the past week or so, and this is going like, this is a game changer, guys. I'm telling you, this platform is a game changer. So basically, this platform discovers tokens through market insiders activities. What that means, this platform uses some kind of algorithm that tracks the entire Solana network, and especially the insider wallets, and it like finds you the winning tokens and the winning ideas. So it's really good if you're trading on if you're trading meme coins. It will be a game changer if you're using the method I'm talking about on my channel. It will be a huge game changer either way. So basically, I advise you guys to get the pro. I know it's not that cheap, but it's really worth it. We got pump fund algorithm, launch lab, OG and OG 2.0. So basically, let's go with the pump fund. I've been using the pump fund algorithm to find the tokens that I need. So the pump fund algorithm spots tokens before they migrate, and this thing actually has like 42% migration rate. Do you know what that means, guys? Basically, 40% of the tokens that you can spot on atm.day, they migrate, which is like a huge thing, because it like filters out all the shitty coins that wouldn't probably migrate, and they put the good projects that would probably migrate right in front of your eyes. So here you can like find them tokens that's been recently graduated. For the sniper farming method, this is a huge game changer, because here you can find the tokens that you can copy and launch, which snipers will buy in, because they are some new and up-to-date tokens with up-to-date descriptions and ideas. So it's basically what we need for the sniper farming method. So why is the ATM Pro worth it? It's because you can get access to the private chat with pro traders. Basically, it's like a cabal with elite traders. If you're trying to get on some really good private chat, this is something else that ATM is offering. And we're gonna have a look here at the atm.day bot. Basically, this bot like brings new trending tokens that the algorithm discovers. So this is, again, you can like copy one of these and like inspire from them for your launch. And basically, it's really good if you trade into. It's a game changer for traders and for people using my method. So basically, the bot has some really good discovers. It can like find you some really good tokens even before they explode and go to the moon. Yeah, this bot will find you these tokens like this, 50k market cap. It finds you like a really good opportunities, so you can ape, or if you using the method, you can like inspire from and make your launches. So I've been using this, and it's really helping me. So I advise you guys to go check it out. Just like grab any of these, go and check it out on Deck Screener. So I just opened this, and it's hitting a new all-time high, basically. Yep, it discovers coins with a really good potential. So copy the image and name, description, everything, the Twitter post and then go and launch on photon. Use the seller bot for like sniper farming for the people who is trying to like sniper farm with this platform. It's really helping like for people who don't have the ideas or don't have the right trackers for Twitter. This platform actually is a game changer. So you go and launch with Bumpfun and set your seller bot like all the videos I've been talking about sniper farming. I have a bunch of tutorials on my channel. Go check them out. You go and um, use the seller bot and launch with Bumpfun, and yeah, probably snipers will ape in. Look at this. New all-time high. Just discovered this. Uh, it's like a live example right here. This token's been discovered by atm.day. So yeah, you guys gotta check this out and see for yourself. They got the OG algorithm too. They got the algorithm stats here. It's very professional. So yep, I advise everybody to go check them out. If you're serious about this, and go get your ATM Pro, and you can use the link in my description below, and yeah, go check them out.